Alright, so today I'm feeling frisky and I feel like I want to start this thing. We don't have a lot to do to actually start it. Our list is very small. So we're going to go ahead and knock our list out right quick, which consists of right here, and it's not much. We're going to put antifreeze in this bad boy. We got the top hose left off to put antifreeze in it. We're going to put antifreeze in it. I got our wires capped there. I got the heater core plumbed here. Vintage air's not plumbed. I'm gonna wait till I get the fender liner in. So I gotta put some fuses in it. We got our battery here. It's been trickle charging on us for 2 days, so we got it good and hot. I got our old cameraman here. He's putting some fuel in it. We went and got us some of this real high octane race fuel. Nah, I'm just with you. It's just ethanol free, 92, 93 octane. Yeah, figured that our tank is around 20 gallons. Means that we put all new Dakota digital dash and everything in here. I'm thinking that we have a 90 ohm sending unit in it. So that's what I'm gonna set my Dakota at. So what we're doing is we're putting exactly 10 gallons of fuel in here. So going by the math, which I'm like really good at math, I figure we are like 20 and a half gallons on our fuel tank. So we're putting exactly 10 gallons in there. So when I set this to a GM 90 ohm sending unit, then that should tell me that it's going to be half a tank. And if that thing pops in half a tank, then that tells me that we're spot on. So little things like that you pick up over time on building these things. That's what we got. We're going to get this, get all of our fluid put in here and get this thing try to fire up and hopefully get her running today. We get her running, we'll be on a downhill slope. So look at him, give her hell there, fill her up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get in here. We don't have fuses put in here yet. I got to put all the fuses in. And it's on this damn lift and it's so damn tight. And we're sitting on the ground. It's just an awesome little deal here. I'll tell you. I got to hook this neutral safety switch up too. I forgot about that. I ain't got the steering column wired up. Plug and play deal. I took it back out, remember? Still right there. Just going to have to feel it. So I can't see it. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. All right. Ha! Yeah. All right. Come on, baby. Okay. There's that one. Pow. Where are you? There, right there. Put you right there. Stop that right there. Oh, there you are. Oh, you pretty little thing. Ha! Now, let's get these fuses up in here. Oh.
Okay. Are you saying pow? What are you saying?
Okay, now we're gonna go up in here. Ooh. So I had this wire, this is our ignition wire for our air ride. I had it monkeyed over to here to this wire. Watch your head, dude. So I had it monkeyed over here to this wire, just zip tied up here. I can undo now. And I plugged this wire into that fuse, pulled that fuse out, and that run my air ride off a jump pack. So I no longer need that now that I got my battery and everything installed. So I'm gonna get rid of my little engineering there. Put my main mega fuse back in here. Pow! Pull this wire back. That plugs in there. Okay. Alright, there we go. I'll come back and I'll loom that later. I'm just going to shove it down right here for now. I'll loom it and put it away for good later once I know that this actually works. Time to hook the battery up for the very first time since the rebuild on this truck. So, oh man, that is a battery connection. See, this is why you make lists. That way you don't forget anything, okay? Boom, boom, cross that off, cross that off, cross that off. We got one deal here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna burnt the power steering. I filled it up a couple days ago when I got the lines made on the power steering. So I put fluid and everything in it. And what we do is while it's off the ground, you'll turn the steering from lock to lock to lock and do that several times. I've done it a couple times when I filled it up, but I'm gonna do it one more time just to see if I can't get a good burp out of it before I try to start it here. So let's do this. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's real good. Let's let her down. Let's see if we can't get some fuel pumping. So here's our fuel gauge. Shows us our PSI. We're gonna want that to be around 60. So I'm gonna go ahead and cycle the key a couple times, see if we can't get fuel running to it. I ain't got nothing. I have no power. Alright, we got power now. Oh.
I got scared. I dropped my hot pocket.
There went our air ride. We ain't got a good connection somewhere. Ah, we have power. We have power now. We'll check gauge right there and tell me what happens when I cycle the key. Does it move? We ain't getting fuel. Cool thing, reading. Alright, I gotta go into investigation mode, so I will return. Hey guys, we're back. We were trying to start this thing and we weren't getting any fire, we weren't getting any fuel. So I sat here and scratched my head trying to figure out what was wrong with it. And I know whenever I was rewiring that dude that I was like, man, this just don't make sense. So anyway, is what I found here is I found the key to the problem that had everything shut down. Here on our cool packs, this is comes off of our PSI harness, and this plugs directly into our cool packs. It's on both sides. Well, for whatever reason, I don't know why, they had this adapter on here, which jumped out here. So I wired it up kind of like they had it wired from the get-go, the best that I could tell. And I thought, you know, I've never had to do that before on all these LS swaps that we've done, that I've done. So anyway, is what I've done is I unplugged these, cut it all out, plug the harness in, just like I would any other normal build that we do, and turn the key on, boom. Now we have fuel, we have fire, we have everything. So what we're gonna do is, I've already started this once just to break the news to you boys and girls. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys your all's first initial start up here. So let me go over here and turn the power on. It's our master kill switch. Boom, now we have power. There, got the coded. So there we go. I'm gonna come in and I'll put the fenders on this dude. While I was messing around with that, I went ahead and I got the fenders, slosh tubs put in the fenders built out. See, I bed lined the hole underneath of the slosh tubs. That way the fiberglass won't prick your fingers when you clean it. So what we got, so we're gonna set up and start getting some fenders put on this bad boy. let's see if we can get this thing to go around the block for the first time.